So we are going to be doing subtracting with 20 frames today and some counters. So you might want to pause this video and grab your two tens frames and your pasta, Lego, Cheerios, whatever. I've also seen some like Cookie Crisp cereal being used. I love it. Anything you've got, grab it and come back and then make yours look like Miss Clark's does here. So you want 15 of your counters, Lego pieces, Weetos, Cheerios, whatever you've got in your 20 frames, and then we will begin the next part. Okay, so I hope you are ready to rumble now with your 20 frame at the ready. So it says, first there were 15 children in the classroom. So you can see, hopefully on yours as well, that you have got one tens frame full, which shows us there's 10. And then you have got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 in total. So you want 10 in one frame and then 5 in the other. And then it says 8 of the children went out to play. How many of your 20 frame are you going to now be taking away? How many of the 15 in your 20 frame are you now going to be taking away? 8, brilliant. So let's do it together. Let's take away 8 Weetos, Cheerios, pasta pieces, counters, whatever you've got. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Miss Clark. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have you removed 8 as well? Brilliant. So now we need to count how many we've got left in our 20 frame. So we can now see we've got none over here, but how many are left in the starting one? Let's have a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 15 take away 8 equals 7. Brilliant job. 15 take away 8 equals 7. Okay, clear off your 20 frames and we're doing one more together practically and then you are going to have a go on your own. So this time we need to have 17 counters, Cheerios, Weetos, pasta pieces, whatever you've got in your frames. So I'll give you a moment to add your 17 on. And then it says we are taking 8 away because there were 17 cars in the car park and 8 drove away. We want to find out how many are left in the car park. So we have got 17 now in our 20 frames. And how many are we going to be taking away? 8, because 8 is here. 8 is how many drove away. Are you ready? Count with me and do it with yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, they seem to have all attached. 8. 8. That was what I was taking away. I got a bit distracted then because mine have all got stuck together. Let's just make sure I took away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, my dots all got caught together. So I've taken 8 away. So how many am I left with now? How many have you got in your 20 frame? Let's have a count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. First there was 17. Then 8 cars drove away. Now we are left with 9. Good job, everybody. Okay, so now is your chance to do this practically for a little bit to really reinforce this learning. You have got some questions that look like this, and you can use the 20 frames and your Weetos, Cheerios, pasta pieces to work out these number sentences. You don't have to do them all, do as many as you want to until you feel really happy with this practical learning, and then return to the input where we are going to be doing it pictorially. See you in a minute. Guys, I hope you enjoyed doing that practically. we are now going to be applying the same concept and the same way of working out subtraction with a 20 frame, but doing this pictorially, so through picture. A little bit similar to yesterday, where we crossed out in the then box. That will be what we sort of do on our 20 frame now. So how many dots do I need? 18. I need 18 dots because my number sentence is 18 take away 6. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I've got 18 dots because that is my beginning number. How many am I now going to take away? 6, and I'm going to show that by crossing them out. And you start in your tens frame that isn't yet full up. So the one with the gaps you are going to take away from, okay? And I'm taking away from that frame 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I had 18, I drew 18 dots. I took 6 away, I crossed 6 out. How many am I now left with? So like you just did practically, where you took your counters away and you then counted what was left, that is now what we are going to do through the pictorial method of the 20 frame. So now we need to count how many are left. Are you ready? Let's do a little dot so that Miss Clark can see which one she's counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This represents 10. 10 in your head. We're counting on for the remainder that are in this tens frame that haven't been crossed out. 10 in your head. 10, 11, 12. So 8 take away 16 equals 12. Fantastic. Brilliant, guys. Okay, let's do this one together. How many will I need in my 20 frame now? What is the beginning number in my number sentence? Brilliant, 17. Let's add 17 into my tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Have I got 17? Yes, brilliant job. How many am I going to take away? 8, fantastic. So I'm going to cross out 8 of my counters, as I can't physically move them like we just did practically. So you've got to cross them out, which is the same idea, isn't it? Because you are then left with what your answer is. So we need to cross out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how many am I left with? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 17 take away 8 equals 9. Okay, we're going to do one more together and then I will show you your task today. So, how many do I need to put into my tens frame this time? My 20 frame this time, because I've got a 10 and a 10, haven't I? 19. Brilliant job. Here we go. Nice counting. Count with me. Loudly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that one's a bit high up, isn't it? Silly Miss Clark. Let's put them in. There we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This one's tried to escape as well. 19 counters. How many are we going to cross out? 11. Brilliant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many am I left with? Are we ready? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 19 take away 11 equals, brilliant job. Okay, lovelies, so your challenge now is to complete the worksheet pictorially like I have just shown you, which looks like so. So you have got to read the word problem. First, I had 14 sweets. You will then add 14 counters into the 20 frame like we just did together. Then I ate 7. So you've then got to cross out 7. Then count them up and that will be your answer. And that is what you will do for this sheet here. Here you are just solving it using the number sentence rather than the word problem. And that today is your activity. I hope you enjoyed doing it practically first, and I can't wait to see it pictorially on your worksheets. As always, Miss Evans and I are so proud of you, and we can't wait to see how well you do in subtraction today. Bye, everyone.